Welcome to our video tutorial series. My name is Oliver Kurz. I'm the responsible key account manager for FFT products in laser technology. We are delighted to have you with us as we introduce one of FFT's latest innovations in laser technology, the FFT Risley Prism Deflector, or briefly spoken, the FFT RPD. With over 25 years of experience in the field, FFT is proud to present a scanner optic that not only meets today's market demands, but also offers a cost-efficient and robust solution developed entirely in-house. Let's explore what makes the FFT RPD a standout in precision and performance. The FFT RPD laser scanner delivers an exceptionally short processing time, enabling high efficient and streamlined operations, an integrated power control with the optical unit ensuring precise energy delivery directly at the point of application, and a truly cost-efficient solution designed to meet demanding performance standards while minimizing overall investment. Another technical highlight is its exceptional compatibility with most laser sources available on the market. FFT enables this flexibility with providing fiber connections in both QD and QBH standards, two of the most widely supported interfaces in the industry. This also enables an easy integration of the RPD laser scanner into existing systems without the need for extensive modifications. During the development, special attention was focused on a simple integration. All the media connections, including the fiber interface and control cables, are conveniently positioned on the top of the optics. This allows an easy installation and an organized cable management. All the media supply is completely contained within the housing. On the beam exit side, the scanner is equipped with a fully integrated cross-jet. It offers effective protection against dust and dirt. The integrated process air nozzles are also located there. The FFT RPD laser scanner combines performance with an extremely compact design. With a total weight of just 10 kilograms, it opens new possibilities. The scanner allows the use of smaller robot or access systems, and thus opens new possibilities for more agile and space-saving automation setups. The smart design not only reduces the mechanical load on the surrounding systems components, but also increases energy efficiency. This offers both economic and ecological benefits. The system offers a completely standalone solution that is suitable for a wide range of customer applications. Both the program sequence control and the power control are processed entirely within the optical system. Therefore, no external control unit is required. Initial programming is carried out using the supplied RPD Studio software, which enables intuitive programming. The fully self-contained approach enables easy integration and makes the scanner ideal for flexible production setups and standardized installations. The latest version of the FFT RPD laser scanner is a powerful 2D laser optic developed for demanding industrial applications. It obtains in the 3 kilowatt class and offers powerful laser processing capabilities with a high precision. The system offers a working field with a diameter of 160 millimeters, which offers a wide range of tasks without compromising on accuracy or speed. The previously mentioned RPD Studio programming software is also supplied with the optics. It enables a simple and intuitive programming of the scanner. It is also possible to process welding contours directly in the software via data import. The parameter sets are stored directly for each contour section and can be customized as required. The FFT RPD laser scanner is ideal for both small and large production environments. Its robust design and reliable performance make it an ideal solution for a wide range of welding applications. The optics have already proven themselves in both steel and stainless steel welding. Do you need an individual solution for your task? Please let us get in contact. Therefore, you will find all informations on our homepage FFT.de, or you can write a mail to lasertec@fft.de. I'm looking forward to meet you in person soon.